Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python dictionary collection with copy method and update method. So first of all, what is this dictionary collection in Python programming? So in Python, dict is a data type, which is dictionary collection. So coming to some technical points related to the Python dictionary collection. So dictionary is a collection of elements as key value pairs, and they are represented in curly brackets. For example, dict1 is equals to curly brackets key value roll number 1001, name Sai, age 21. So here all keys are unique, no duplicates. So if you try to put a duplicate key with its corresponding value, it will replace the existing key value pair. And dictionary values, they can be duplicated. And dictionary does not provide indexes to its collection. And dictionary is mutable collection, which means after its creation, we can add, delete, update, or modify. And here key value pairs are given in curly brackets and they are separated with commas, and key value, individual key value, is separated with colon. So for example, dict2, open curly brace and close curly brace. So here 1001 colon Sai key value, comma 1002 colon Ram key value, comma 1003 colon Ali key value. So now coming to the copy method. So copy method, it gives a duplicate copy of our collection. For example, dict1.copy will get a duplicate collection. So we can store that in duplicate dict1. So now coming to update method. So update method updates an existing dictionary collection with new key value pairs if it is not present. Otherwise, it updates existing key with a new value. Okay, so what does it mean? If you see here, dict2. So dict2. So here we have three values: 1001, 1002, 1003. I'm saying update. I'm passing a dictionary 1004 Krishna. So since it is not there, it will add this new key value pair. Next, if I see dict2.update 1003 Arun. So 1003, we already have it in the dict2. So since it is available, it will replace with a new value. So Ali will become Arun. Similarly, I can also take multiple key value pairs as an input parameter to the update. So dict2.update. So this is a dictionary collection with two key value pairs: 1005 Tom, 1006 Uma. So both will be added to dictionary collection. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python dict example 9. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So initially I'm taking a dictionary dict1, roll number 1001, name Sai, age 21. So I'll say here dict1.copy will get a copy of dictionary 1, store that in duplicate dictionary 1. So print dict1 original dictionary and then duplicate dictionary. Right. So save this program in your working directory. Open the command prompt where you have saved the program and then run it. So py python dict example 9. So this is dict1 and this is duplicate dict1. Okay. So next, let us perform update operation using update method. Right. So here I'm taking empty print, will get an empty line. So dict2 1001 Sai 1002 Ram 1003 Ali. Print dict2. So save this and run it. So this is dict2, dictionary 2. 1001 1002 1003 Sai Ram Ali. So now let us perform update. So same example. So dict2.update, I'm passing a key value in a dictionary 1004 Krishna. So since this key is not available, it will add to dict2. So print dict2, you will have 4 key value pairs. So save it and run it. So if you see here, we have total 4 key value pairs. 1004 Krishna is added to dictionary 2, dict2. So next, update. So dict2.update. So here I'm passing a dictionary with key value pair as input parameter 1003 Arun. So since 1003 is already available, Ali will be replaced by Arun. Print dict2. So save this and run. So 1003 Ali, it is replaced by Arun. Next, dict2.update. Okay, so here we are taking 2 key value pairs in a dictionary 1005 Tom 1006 Uma. So 1005 1006, both keys are not available in dict2. So it is going to add new key value pairs. Print dict2. So save it and run. So if you see here 1005 Tom and then 1006 Uma. So these two are added to existing dictionary. So this is how we are supposed to work with copy method, update method in dictionary collection. So which is collection of key value pairs. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.